I'm often asked, how can I use the harmonizer to help areas that are in need, where I feel, I'd like to send some good positive energy. And what you can do with the harmonizer is you print a map and you put the harmonizer on the map, you put the ring around it, and we know that the ring is containing the field of the harmonizer, and this is exactly what we want to accomplish this time, because we want to focus on the area where we want to have our positive intention. We want to bring harmony, we want to bring love and peace. Whatever the area needs, this is what we want to do. And you know what? You can do the same with your family and friends if you have no chance to see them, but you would just love to give them a special present, a special thought, intention. Take a picture of them and put the ring around it, the harmonizer on top of it, and put the intention in there for love, for harmony, for everyone that is in the area in the picture. Let us know.